4-4-2 for Dominic Kinnear. You see Wondolowski and Americo up front. I like to see Shea Salinas and Cordell Cato, the white players, get in the game, get into 2-3-1 for the Whitecaps. A lot of talented South American players up front, but I also think Jordan Harvey and Bedeshaw will try and get forward from their fullback positions. Everything on the line have been very exciting. The game in New York City I thought was very exciting. It's more open.
Cato, a little nudge in the back. Ball is free. Drops to Cato. There's J.J. Koval. Launched it up into the scoreboard. He'd like to have that one back. Harvey and Rosales swing this one out. Short corner. San Jose gets there first. But Kofi has it. Back to Rosales. Waits unable to clear it out of danger. Went back in. And this one right in front, but the offside flag is up. And San Jose got a bit of a break there as Vancouver was swarming around David Bingham, trying to punch home the first goal of the match. Looking to connect. The ball drops to Rosales. Harvey. Got to get back to Rivero. Edge of the area. There's the drive. Touch the side. And then it eludes Bedeshaw. Nice save by Bingham, and then a little bit lucky that Bedeshaw didn't just pound it home. Tested. He has been tested tonight. Back heel nicely done. Ball's loose in front. Teixeira cuts it back on his right foot. This one over the head of Bingham and in. Teixeira. And Vancouver leads it 1-0.
A little bit Anthony with the set pieces. And then when he got a nice little back heel by Rosales. And here, the trickery of Teixeira. It's a lucky deflection.
Going to get back on Harvey. JJ got there late. This is Rosales. It's right in. This is Mane's shot. Wide of the mark, near side. Rosales knocked down. And Stoicher will stop play again. Cordell Cato gets behind him. The shot knocked down. And then it followed through. Wondolowski